front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Start by opening Sound Recorder app. Now you need to just allow in the pop-ups, but I already did that, so I can click on Standard and select one of those options, Standard, Meeting or Interview. Tap on the best one for you and click on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the middle one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now name your recording however you want to and tap on Save. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to go back, hold it, tap on this bin icon at the bottom right corner and choose Delete all items. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!